everyone. Have you ever wondered what would happen if your car broke down, or you suddenly lost your job? Today, I want to show you how to build a financial safety net that covers 3 to 6 months of your expense. It is called an emergency fund. So, what is it exactly? An emergency fund is a money saved specifically for unaccepted urgent event. It is not for buying a new phone or going on a vacation. Think of it as a personal insurance policy that prevents you from going into debt when life hits you hard. How much do you really need? The math is actually very simple. You just use this formula. Multiply your essential monthly expense by a number between 3 and 6. This gives you the exact target amount you need to save to sleep peacefully at night. The two emergency only. When do you actually touch this money? You only use it for two emergencies, a job loss, a sudden medical bill, or a leaking roof, a valid reasons. But a flash sale on clothes or a last minute weekend trip, definitely not an emergency. Don't use the money. Theoretical example. Let's do the calculation to have our targets. Let's look like at a theoretical example. Imagine you earn $4,000 a month, but your essential survival expense like rent, grocery, and insurance are only $2,500. We base the fund on the $2,500, not in your total salary. The target 3 months with 6 months. Following our example, if you want a basic 3 month safety net, you need $7,500. If you want maximum security, say for 6 months, you need $15,000. It sounds like a lot, but you build it step by step. The real world, the transmission failure. Let's make this a real. Imagine your car transmission failed tomorrow. The mechanic gave you a bill for $2,000. Without any emergency fund, you sweep a credit card and pay high interest for a month. You feel stressed and trapped. The power of cash peace. But look at the alternatives. With your emergency fund ready, you just transfer 2,000 from your savings. The car gets fixed, you still have $13,000 left. The event changed from a financial crisis into a temporary inconvenience. Secure and accessible. Here is the best expert advice. Do not keep this money in your everyday checking account because you will spend it. Do not invest it in the stock market because it could drop when you need it. Put it in a high yield saving account. It stays safe, earn a little interest, and you can grab it instantly. Start small, start today. Don't worry if you can't save thousands right away. The trick is to start small, set up an automatic transfer of 50,000 or 100 every payday. Before you know it, you will have built a financial fortress that completely protects your future. That is for today, and thank you very much. If you have a comment, don't hesitate to write it below and click the bell to have a notification. See you soon.